Hmm. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to run MLX models locally on your Apple Silicon Mac and get ChatGPT like responses right on your own machine. You can use any model you like, but I will be using Llama 3.2 3 billion parameter model. So let's get started. So here first I have made a virtual environment named MLX virtual environment when I have a models folder, a .env file, mlxtut.ipynv and MLX wrapper. So now I will teach you how to do all that stuff. So first I have created MLX virtual environment with the command python 3 -m virtual MLX virtual environment. Then I have activated it. Then I have downloaded python.environment, MLXLM, LangChain community. MLXLM is the framework provided by Apple to run MLX models on Apple Silicon. So I will show you a tutorial with MLXLM, then I will show you how to use it more advancedly with um, more things I have made, like MLX wrapper I have made. So we can use it to provide more parameters and output like we want. So uh, first we have to specify the directory in which we want our model to download. So I have specified the directory in .env file, which is hf home. uh, HFM keyword is necessary because Hugging Face identifies it as default location. So I have set it as models. So here in models, it will download the files. Next, I have loaded from .env import load.n. Then I have run load.n. It will load the .env file. Next, I have imported load and generate from MLXLM. Load will load the model and generate is the function to stream the output, providing the prompt and the uh, prompt parameters you give. So by utilizing load, we can also download the model. So like here I have written command MLX community llama 3.21 billion. Like this, you can also download the model. But if you want to specify the model directory, you have to use model slash this, like I have written. So it will take from models folder. I have here llama 3.23 billion. So it will take from llama 3.23 billion. Here I will not show you downloading the model because it takes time. So we will directly proceed. So first I will restart the file. So now I will run it. Now model and tokenizer are loaded. Now first we will see the prompt, write a story about Einstein. Then we can provide a message in which we will provide a role, that is user, and content, which is prompt. And we will make a prompt using tokenizer.apply chat template with messages as input and add generation prompt true. This is necessary because without this the model will behave very abruptly and will repeat the messages again and again. So this is very necessary. So after that, uh, text is equal to generate. This will generate the response for us. By default, it streams also the output. So it will be streaming the output. We can see here. Uh, we will input here model, tokenizer, prompt, and verbose is equal to true. It will give us the information about the generate. Like I've run it. Now it is giving the output. Hmm. So prompt is 41 tokens, 92.047 tokens per second. Generation 256 tokens it generated, 18.186 tokens per second. Peak memory was approximately 2 GB. So this is the verbose and this is the output. Now this is not a type of output we want, so we can more customize it. MLX LM also has uh, sampler, one sampler function which we can use to provide some parameters, but it does not allow all the parameters to configure. So we will use another thing which I have, MLX wrapper.py. I have made changes to it. I found it from GitHub. But it was not working well, so I made changes to it and it is now working fine. I will upload it to GitHub, then you can also download it. So now uh, here is the MLX wrapper. We import the chat MLX class from it. So let me show you the MLX wrapper class. Sorry, MLX wrapper file. So we will jump straight to the stream function. This is the stream function. We have these many parameters to tune. So we have temperature, max new tokens, repetition penalty, repetition context size, top p, min tokens to keep. So this wrapper helps to customize the parameters of the model. So here you can see. Now this is MLX pipeline. We have to import it from LangChain community to make MLX wrapper work. Now we will load the env file to set the Hugging Face home for the path. So here we provide the model ID. This is path, or we can provide like this Hugging Face link MLX community. If we provide the link, the model will be downloaded in the models folder or the folder you have provided in the .env file. Now we have to load the model dot from model ID, provide the model ID, which is the path, pipeline quarks, like this. Now pipeline quarks are this: temperature, max token, verbose, repetition penalty, repetition context size, top p filtering. So these are the parameters. So you can give. So you can provide it like this, pipeline quarks. Then you have to give LLM is equal to this model in the chat MLX class. So we have the MLX at n. So let's run it. So now this is the prompt. In output, we will invoke the LLM and we will print like this for chunk in output. Now if we turn verbose is equal to true, then invoke will also stream the output. But if we set verbose is equal to false, then invoke will not stream the output. It will directly give the output. So for streaming, we have to use stream function. And then we have to use chunk.content. Now let's run the function. So here you can see it is outputting many tokens. I will show you without the max tokens is equal to 1000 how it will perform. So here you can see it has increased limit to 1000 tokens. It has generated 470 tokens. Now let me show you without the parameter set. So we will take the default parameters. Default it is set to 100 tokens. So let's run it again and run this. So now see. So 100 tokens are generated. So like this, you can set the custom parameters for any model you like and download any model or set any model and use it with your fast API, Flask API you want, and you can make app with it. So thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for my channel, and we will meet in next video. Thank you.